Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Shout out to our top challengers who are excellent in maths solving. And our viral question number 1 is 51 divided by 7 parenthesis 1 plus 2. Solve by your own and comment right answer. Pause this video and comment. Okay. But if you don't want to solve, I will solve for them. So according to PEMDAS, we will solve for this parenthesis part first. Okay. And if you think like why we don't solve this part, because first priority will be given to parenthesis, that's why. So now 51 divided by 7, 2 plus 3, that is equal to, okay, now we can simply write 51 divided by 7 into 3. And as we know, division and multiplication have the same priority and we have to solve left to right. Now what we will do, first we will write like this: 51 divided by 7, and we can write like this, and into 3. Okay, so as we know, in multiplication with 7 times 1 into 2, that will be given 14, 21, 35, 49. So 51 will be not divided by 7 simply. Okay, so if we will fraction mode, so we will multiply 51 into 3. 3 times 1, that is 3. 5 into 3, 53. So answer is 153 divided by 7. Okay, coming to the next question, what we have: 12 divided by 3 into parenthesis 2 minus 1 parenthesis close into 2. So pause this video and comment your answer. Take your time. Okay, and I will give them shout out. So let's solve this step by step. So we will write first step PEMDAS. So what we have here, this part, parenthesis part, division, multiplication and multiplication. So we will do first solve this part. We will write 12 divided by 3 into 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1, into 2. Now our question will become like this: 12 divided by 3 into 1 into 2. According to PEMDAS, multiplication division have the same priority, and we will solve like left to right. So first we will solve for this 12 divided by 3. So what we get? 4. Okay, into 1 into 2. So now simply 4 into 1, that is equal to 4, and into 2, which equals to 8. So here 8 will be the right answer. And comment your answer and shout out. I will give them shout out. Thanks for watching and watch these videos.